What is up, guys? This is Kyle with Krietz Customs, and I'm honored to bring you this 1987 Chevy Blazer K5 with the 6.2 diesel in it. This customer brought this to us. It's been in his family his entire life. Garage kept, beautiful condition, honestly, for a 35-year-old vehicle. We're super stoked to be involved in the project. So I'm gonna bring you over here and break this build down for you guys. So with this build, we didn't want to go too big with this. We didn't want to go too small. Kind of give it a good classic look, clean look. So what we did was we went ahead and put the 4-inch rough country lift kit on this one. You know, we're gonna go ahead and replace the shocks on there, replace the leaf springs as well. We put new shackles on there. As you know, they've shown some age, so just a little bit more of a safety thing to go ahead and replace them while we're already under there. With the tire, we decided to go with the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MT. Good, aggressive, but clean look this tire gives. It's not over the top, but it really ties in the look of this vehicle that we were shooting for. And we also did the Mickey Thompson Classic IIIs in a 15x8 with a polished finish. And what that does is tie in the rest of the chrome on this vehicle, which is in immaculate condition for its age. Like I said, 35 years old, and all the accents and everything are in very good shape. So super honored to be able to kind of put that together for the guy and kind of bring his dream to reality. Almost forgot, we did put the car drop steps over here on the side. Like I said, a little bit of a height difference with the 4-inch lift. So I went ahead and just put the steps on there so you don't have to make quite as big of a jump in and out of this thing. You know, it sits big, and that's what we do. So guys, that is a wrap on the 1987 Chevy Blazer build that we have done here. Super excited to be able to do this build for the customer. Hope he loves it just as much as we do. You know, we were honored to be a part of this build. Hopefully it brings his dreams to reality with this one. But if you guys have done a project like this or want to do something like this, feel free to drop it in the comments. Let us know what you've done, or if you have any ideas that you'd like to do on your own, or feel free to give us a call. Just let us know. You know, we're glad to work on projects like this. That's a wrap for this time. Hopefully we can do some more projects like this for you guys and bring them to you. So thanks again.